So I guess this is it. The famous Baye-Baye. Okay, welcome back guys and fellow travelers and gourmet. Today we have something we have to try. Just walking on the way to lunch, I just stopped and at what was kind of a Milongo specialty corner, and I stopped to buy what's called the Baye-Baye, if I say that well. And this is some kind of Filipino treat like dessert with a base with coconut and green rice. This originates from Pavia, which is like in the Iloilo province. And yeah, let's try to see if it's any good, like most of the things we tried here so far. And let's see how it looks first. Let's unpack. Wow. This was actually pretty cheap. I bought like, maybe if I buy in the streets it can be even cheaper. It was like 25 pesos for one, and I got two because that looks like kind of small, but you'll see. Whoa. So that's how it looks inside. Now we're gonna try this. Funny because when you see the color, it doesn't look like or coconut or rice, but yeah. Yeah, the textures like look pretty compact and dry, but it's not dry at all. I can definitely now taste the coconut for sure. Yeah, same, you can tell this is like sweet, but it's not like, doesn't feel like too sugary, or consistency is like pretty strange. That's good just after like eating the pancit molo that was like good, and but at the same time maybe just a little light or small. This is like a good dessert and you can like totally enjoy the tastes. And this is surprising as far as like how it's presented. Let's see how it's pretty folded. Let's try to have a second one. See if we just like share the same feeling about how it tastes. That was the Baye-Baye, and that was like pretty good, and I guess a pretty nice way to end today's lunch. It's a nice pastry. It's like nothing compared to, like I said, pastry we get in Europe, or it's like really sugary, but this is still nice and still enjoyable, and a nice way to end with like some little sweet touch. I enjoyed it. I think there's like much more things to try. There are like 12 different things on the Ilongo specialty stand that was like at the SMCT mall. This was already like one of the ones that I wanted and that was recommended to me, so it's already good. Okay guys, so I guess that's it for this pastry try, and I will see you pretty soon for more. Until then, remember to take care, eat well, remember to always just go with the flow in Iloilo. See you, bye bye.